Hello everyone, it's Hanny. I made another journal and I would like to do a flip through. I made this journal for in my Etsy shops, so it's for sale, and that's why I'm doing a flip through. And of course I want you to show you how well, my work. It's a book, a journal, and it's 12.5 centimeters by 20 centimeters, and in inches that is 5 inches by 8.25 inch. Yeah, 8.25. It has, I don't know by head, 4 signatures. 4 signatures. That's a difficult word. That's a difficult word. Sorry. 4 signatures. Oh my god. Well, you know what I mean, I hope. It's a hardcover, and I decorated it with paper and book corners, and a little doily, and that's also the closure with some twine rope. What is it? And you can close it this way. Oh, sorry. Just like so. That's the closure, and the binding is with twine or rope too. And I put a video link to the video where I forgot her name, I'm sorry, but where she does this binding, and I didn't invent it, she did, I think. Yeah, I saw it on her channel, so I will link it below. It's a binding so you can put the signatures in and out. It's when you want to remove a page, you can do so. If you want to add a page, you can do so too, or change the whole thing. That's up to you. Well, this is page of the first page, with a little, zoom a bit more in, like so. This is a pocket, and the theme is a bit, well, writing, memories, that kind of stuff, school. And here's the good memories, it says on the front page. It's about writing and memories. And this is a card. This is a famous book, Pinocchio. And here you can write whatever you want, your name or something else. The signatures are made from book pages and coffee tea dyed papers. And cards. And okay, this is a pocket too, from an old book page, with a journaling card inside. This is a pocket with a little card. I used some stuff which I downloaded from Etsy. I'm sorry, I don't know. No, this is my own, I think. Yeah, oh yeah, this is my own. I used stuff from other people, Tracy Fox and Roxy Creations, and I download stuff. This is part of an envelope. Here is a little cluster with a postage stamp on it. And here's a little book with a Dutch story. Op een mooie dag trokken Tip en zijn hond Tippy erop uit om een avontuur te beleven. Ze besloten om de letters van het alfabet te verkennen. Well, that says, on a beautiful day, Tip and his dog Tippy, well, they went on a holiday to discover all of the alphabet letters. And this is the letter D. A stamp with memo. No, this is not a pocket. It's just washi tape. Here is a folks postage stamp. I made myself. Here's the other piece of the envelope with a card. And here another postage stamp. Oh my god. I will call it stamp. Yeah. Here is an envelope I made. You can just tuck it on with a paper clip. I don't know what's wrong with me, but my tongue, well, I can't pronounce the words right. Here's a piece, here is something I glued on. Here is a pocket. I didn't do something in it. A stamp. This is a digital of my own. I used music paper with a card to journal on. Handmade paper. I made that myself. And another book page. Another envelope. You can use as a pocket with another stamp on it. Book page. There's the homemade paper with a die cut on it. Here's another card, journaling card or whatever you can use. Another pocket with a tag with a little notebook. You can write notes on that. Another die cut. Here is a little tuck spot pocket. Book pages. Handmade paper. Dutch book page. Here a pocket with two cards with a tag in it and a little card. In it you can write on. Oh, that's upside down, honey. Very old book pages. Coffee dyed paper. Plain paper. Here is a belly band with a journaling card. The book page, ledger paper, and here's another coffee dyed, I think, with a stamp on it. Here's another pocket with a little tag in it. You can write on the back. Very old book page. handmade paper again with a pocket and a journaling card. Here you can journal on, you can put pictures on it, whatever you want. There's plenty of room to add your own things. Just a card on it. And here is a little journaling card. You can journal in the inside. Just stuck it with a little paper clip or do it in another pocket, something like that. Another book page. And that's it. Oh, here's another well, pocket and a card. Winnie the Pooh. And this is the book. Well, it's for sale in my Etsy shop, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.